good evening everyone. Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hilda Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, Bernadette, and Jem. Tonight is very exciting. We're going to show you how to make the gnocchi. So we're going to do two kinds of gnocchi. One is the plain gnocchi, potato and flour only, and the second is potato and eggplant gnocchi. To begin with, as I said, boil potatoes, make sure it's completely cooked. Before you decide to make the potato gnocchi, you need to also have the potato ricer. So this is the potato ricer. Thank you, sweetheart, for buying me the potato ricer. It makes life easier for me. Now I can make as many gnocchi as I want. So I have here one bowl with already mashed potatoes, and then you mash it with just using the fork. Now we're gonna put this inside the ricer. If you're making the potato and eggplant gnocchi, all you have to do is just drop this whole eggplant on top of the potatoes, and this is the plain potato gnocchi. So you're gonna start, this is, by the way, each of these bowls have one potato each. Okay, now I'm gonna put the flour in my hand. Shape it as a ball first. See? Keep it there. Alright. So now I'm going to show you how to design the gnocchi. So roll this on the flour first. And so once you have shaped it like a ball, with the fork, you press it with the fork hard. Okay? And then you slowly remove it out from the fork. You are going to just press the side. See? And yay, here are the gnocchis. On my right hand side, these are all plain potato gnocchis, and on my left hand side are all the potato and eggplant gnocchi combined. So now we have two kinds of sauce for our gnocchi. So for the plain potato gnocchi, we can use the pesto. And for the eggplant and potato gnocchi, you can use the tomato sauce. The next thing is we're going to boil the water to cook the gnocchi. Okay, so now when you're boiling the gnocchis, as you can see, all the gnocchi starts rising up from the water. So at first it's all at the bottom of the water. So once it's cooked, it rises up in the water. So that means it's done. Okay, you can return the gnocchi back on the pan. Hi everyone! Yay! It's ready! Our potato gnocchis are ready. So here's the potato and eggplant gnocchi with tomato sauce and spinach and tomato sauce. And this is the plain potato gnocchi with pesto sauce. It looks like, the gnocchi looks like brown because I used the whole wheat flour. Thank you so much for watching our show. We'll see you next time. It's super delicious.